Hey there, my stamping friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. We have sketch 91 from our collection for today. We're going to craft with the Earthen Elegance DSP, and I've paired it with Moody Mauve and Bubble Bath and Basic White. So I started with a 2x6 scrap piece of our designer series paper and a piece of white cardstock that's also 2x6. I'm going to layer those together with my liquid adhesive to make it a little bit stronger. And then we're going to cut that 2x6 down into 4 sections that are 1x3 each. Next, I took my first panel of Bubble Bath cardstock and I embossed it with the time-worn type embossing folder. The next piece of Bubble Bath, I'm going to die cut with the artistic dies to get the large leaf or an element on our card. Then, from the Nature Prints stamp set, I stamped the thank you greeting with my Moody Mauve ink, and then I used my paper snips to trim that out for our sentiment. So these are the parts and pieces for the project for today, and all the details are on those tutorials you get in your emails. So we start by folding our base in half and giving a crease with our bone folder. Then we're going to adhere our embossed panel with liquid adhesive to the front of the card. And the next step will be to add the 4 1x3 pieces of DSP, kind of like a ladder form, but a little offset left to right. I put on 2 and then I put on the bottom 2. Next, we're going to use the liquid adhesive to add that large leaf across the 4 strips. And then we're going to pop up that little heartfelt thank you with mini dimensionals on the front of our card. So there you go, there's our project for today. I hope you enjoyed it. You remember you can always subscribe here to the YouTube channel to see all of my projects that I share with you. Find me at my website or use the links below to contact me with any questions. Thanks so much for watching and do some fun stamping.